kind of raining right now. Says it should stop in like 30-40 minutes. I hope it's just drizzle. If it's hard, God bless us. But got me some bluegill meat. Got like 4, 5 bluegill earlier. I think like 4. Got the heads and then the meat. Cut the meat in half. You really don't need that much because I was out here a couple of days ago, and me and my friend went through so many meat because they just wrapped around the dock, broke us off in that. But I'm gonna make sure to have it closer up. So yeah, I got 2 rods. I have a bait caster behind the GoPro. On a canoe right now. I got an anchor in the front that's like, not really an anchor, it's like plasticky, and then I got like a real anchor behind the camera. But over there in that section, they're on beds, and then they'd be roaming around this dock. So if I get some, I'm gonna go rig up the rods. I don't need bells because I can just, this one has like loud drag. This one I'm gonna have to watch, but yeah, those kind of get in the way, so yeah. Maybe they stopped? Not in our beds anymore. I was gonna get no, I was complaining. 0 so far. Almost 3. Oh, just popped right out. Oh, see them. He's fat. There you go. Nice one. I'd say it's about 25. Well, I think my layer may be dead. I need to get some new batteries for this. I'm just gonna give an estimate. This guy's like 6'3". Some pictures. But yeah, there we go. Get the release, spin out for a bit. I was wondering, because I was down there for so long, and first snapper night fishing, well, I've never caught one in this lake, and oh my god, look at the head on that. Oh bro, I'm pissed. I'm gonna try to, I don't know how I'm gonna get this off. This is my only other circle hook. Oh, and I got a catfish. I got a catfish. Did it come off? I still got him. The fact I got a catfish as well. This is ridiculous. It's so tangled. I don't want to lose my second one. Oh, it's a bass? What the heck, bro? Nah. Ain't no way, bro. This is what I get? Oh, bro, he's at the top swimming. Oh, he's coming at me. It's scary. Let me help you, buddy. Oh, here we go. Got it. Oh, I gotta get it. I'm just gonna it open. Dude, he's not even hitting it. Oh my god, I got the hook back. I got the hook back. Dude, oh my god. I thought I was gonna have to cut the leader. I can't believe that. I got it back. Oh, cow. It's not even that bent. It's still sharp. Oh, got one in there. Setting that hook right away because there's a ton of docks there. Is running. I'll put a drag on that one. Oh my god. So much action. Gotta be my PB, bro. This, oh. He's not here. No, 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 no. Oh, got it. There you go. There you go. Anything lately. Just got back and having some time to record. Same leader, same everything that turtle was on. It's gonna set the hook for me. Hear them noises. This one, he's either full air or he's bigger than the last one. I say this one's 7. That last one's 25. Measure this one. .26". This guy, I'm going to say this one's like probably just 7.71, 26". A little bigger than that last one. There he goes. I gotta check this one because it's been out for a bit. I'm not trying to. Oh, something moved under the dock. Pulling it out. I would love for this to be like some stick. Oh. Well, new species to the table. Oh, I don't know how I caught this. New species for sure. Chair, bro. I'm not trying to pull the whole thing up. I'm trying to show it to the camera. Just a chair. I don't know if you can see it. Pop right out. Well, at least that's not in the way anymore. Was the move, bro. Like 2 more minutes, I'm gonna leave. It's a catfish. I'm not tangled. Like, I don't know how to. You dare go by that tree. kitty here. Don't know if you can see me that well. I'll get some pictures to show. Got some pictures though. Get an angle on this. Barely get my hand around his mouth, but I say 6 pound, 10 ounce, 26 inch. And there he goes. I better restart my GoPro, but guys in the next video, hopefully. I don't know what it'll be. Frog fishing, dolphin fishing, or part 2 to this. Yeah, I got long overdue this video.